I get this question a lot. You have an engine that has a rod knock, it's banging, it's knocking, and they ask me, can this be fixed? And it depends on a couple of things. It all depends on how bad it's knocking, meaning like on this particular engine was knocking, the rod, connecting rod went right through the block. So therefore, you're going to need a new block, a new crank, new rod. If it didn't damage it, it's just, this engine is not worth it. You would probably have to get a rebuilt engine, or you can get one from the salvage yard. But if, let's say, the rod was knocking and it just destroyed one bearing, just the bearing, not the block, then you can get a new crank, new rod, new main and rod bearings, and rebuild it yourself for about $500. Well, it depends on how much the crank is going to cost. Depends on the engine in the car. All right, and it also depends on the mileage and how much the car means to you and how much it's worth. So the fast answer to that question is yes. If you do it yourself and the car is worth some money, or it's worth it to you, and you could do it yourself, yes. Even if you have somebody else do it for you, just replace certain things that, whatever got damaged, don't have to replace everything. Only what got damaged, it'll be worth it. If they're gonna charge you $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 and the car is only worth that much, then no, it's not worth it.